Hello everyone, this is our next assignment. We are performing multiplication operation on two 8-bit number by using a add and shift method. So in a add and shift method, first take one num1 in accumulator AX and this is a multiplicand, and take num2 into BX and that is a multiplier. So you are taking two 8-bit number, first you are using as a multiplicand and second you are using as a multiplier. So first number you will move into accumulator register and second number you are moving into BX register, and take counter as a number of bits and you will initialize a counter as a number of bits. Means if you are taking a 8-bit number, in that case your counter will become 8. If you are taking 16-bit number, in that case your counter is 16-bit. So it depends on your number, means how many bits number you are taking from the user side. It depends on your input, the counter initialization. So basically counter you will initialize according to your input number. So here in this example we are taking 8-bit number, so that's why our counter we will initialize with 8. Then take result variable of size word with 0 value initially. So result we will take another variable and we will save memory for result variable into BSS section, and we will take size of result variable as a word and we will initialize with 0. Then we will perform shift multiplier, means num2 we are using as a multiplier, so we will perform shift operation, shift right operation by 1 bit using shift R instruction. Then check bit using jump carry. So jump carry instruction we are using for checking our carry bit. So we will shift, if we are performing a right operation on a multiplier number and we will perform the shift right operation, in that case your most significant bit will be shift by 1 bit and that is move into carry. After that we will check the carry bit by using a jump carry instruction. If your carry is generated, means carry bit equal to 1, then shift multiplicand num1 left by 1 bit and add into result variable. Then else if carry bit equal to 0, only shift multiplicand number 1 left by 1 bit, no need to add. Means if a carry is generated, in that case you will add that number by itself. If carry is not generated, in that case there is no need to perform addition operation, you will just perform a shifting operation and repeat this procedure until your count will not become 0. So this is the add and shift method. So take num1 in AX, means accumulator register you are using as a multiplicand and BX register you are using as a multiplier, and you will initialize counter register, take count as num1 of bits, take result variable of size word with 0 value initially, shift multiplier num2 right by 1 bit using shift R instruction, check bit using jump carry instruction. If carry bit is 1, in that case you will perform the addition operation as well as the shifting operation. But if carry is not generated, in that case you will only perform the shifting operation, you will not perform addition operation. So this is a add and shift method algorithm. Now we will see the code of this algorithm. So move AL comma num1. Num1 is a variable where you are reserving memory for num1 num2 variable into BSS section. So we will take number 1 into num1 variable, and that variable basically we are taking input from the user side, so that's why we have to convert that number from ASCII to hex number, because whenever we take input from the user side, so this is the hex number but basically it is saved into memory into the ASCII format. So that's why we have to perform the ASCII conversion, means ASCII to hex conversion for performing operation, because if you are performing any operation on that number, so first we have to convert that number from ASCII to hex number. After that you can perform any operation, otherwise you cannot perform any operation on that number. So num and num2 variable we are using here for saving our number or saving our input value. So num1 value means first number we are saving into num1 memory location and second number we are saving into num2 memory location, and that number we will move into AL or BL register. Then we will initialize the counter by 8 because we are taking 8-bit number. If you are taking a 16-bit number, in that case you will initialize counter as a 16-bit, but here you are taking 8-bit number, so that's why your counter you will initialize by 8-bit. Then shift R, SHR instruction we are using on BX, so BX comma 1 means shift R instruction we are using on that register, and we are performing a shift operation on the right side by 1 bit. Then we will check carry. If if carry is generated, in that case we will perform addition operation. So result we will initialize initially with 0. Then whatever accumulator register have value, this value we will add with the result variable. So result variable basically in initial we will initialize with 0 and we will perform the addition operation, and whatever result we will get it, that result we will save into accumulator register. Then we will perform again shift left operation by 1 bit. Then decrement the counter and we will check the counter. If the counter will not become 0, in that case we will repeat that operation again and again. If the counter is become 0, in that case we will get the result and we will display the result on the output screen by using a display procedure. So what is the procedure here? You can see you will taking num1 means first number into num1 variable, second number into num2 variable, and these are memory location, because if the num1 and num2 variable within a process, so this is represent the memory location. So first number basically save on the num1 memory location, second number we will save at the num2 memory location. Then we will move this number into AL or BL register, and counter we will initialize with 0. We have discussed this thing. Counter basically depends on your number. If you are taking a 8-bit input number, in that case your counter will become 8. If you are taking a 16-bit number, in that case your counter will become 16. After that you will perform the shift right operation by 1 bit. So shift right means SHR. This is a shift right instruction. So whatever number contained by the BX register, that number basically we will shift right by 1 bit and we will check the carry. If your carry is 1, in that case we will perform the addition operation, and addition operation we will perform on the accumulator register content or result content. So result content initially is 0 and accumulator content is first number. So you will perform the addition operation, then you will perform the shift left operation. So but if your carry is not generated, in that case you will perform only shift left operation, you will not perform adding operation. Then you will check your counter. If your counter is not become 0, then you will perform this operation again. If your counter is become 0, in that case you will get the result and you will display that result by using a display procedure. So this is the procedure for addition, add and shift method. Thank you.